Hello. Today we're going to learn communications and network security in certified information systems. Security professional. In Module 4 we have these topics. Understanding communications and network security concepts, secure network architecture design, network components and protocol, secure communication channels. Communications and network security concepts refer to the principles and practices used to secure the transmission and storage of information over networks and communication channels. This includes technologies such as firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, virtual private networks, VPNs, and encryption. Some key concepts in communications and network security include: 1. Network architecture. The design of a network can impact its security. Network architects should consider security principles and best practices when designing and deploying networks. Encryption. Encryption is the process of converting data into a secret code. To protect it from unauthorized access, encryption can be used to secure data in transit, e.g., using SSL/TLS to secure web traffic, or at rest, e.g., using full disk encryption to secure data on a hard drive. 3. Firewalls. Firewalls are devices or software applications that control the flow of network traffic. Based on predefined rules, they are often used to prevent unauthorized access to a network. 4. Intrusion detection and prevention systems. These systems monitor network traffic for signs of suspicious activity and can take action to prevent attacks. 5. Virtual private networks. VPNs. VPNs allow users to securely connect to a private network over public network, e.g., the Internet. VPNs use encryption to protect the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the network. 6. Access control. Access control is the process of restricting access to resources based on a user's identity and permissions. Access control can be used to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data or systems. 7. Network segmentation. Network segmentation involves dividing a network into smaller, more secure subnetworks. This can help prevent the spread of malware or other security threats across the network. 8. Wireless security. Wireless networks present unique security challenges. Wireless security measures may include encryption, access control, and intrusion detection and prevention systems. Secure network architecture design is the process of designing computer networks with security in mind. The goal is to create a network that is able to protect against a wide range of security threats, such as unauthorized access, data interception, denial of service attacks, and malware infections. This involves designing the network to implement security controls, such as firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, access controls, and encryption. It also involves designing the network to minimize the attack surface by segmenting it into smaller, more manageable units, and ensuring that only authorized users are able to access sensitive data and resources. The design should take into account the specific requirements of the organization, such as the types of data being transmitted, the level of access required, and the potential risks and threats that may be encountered. Network components and protocols refer to the hardware and software components that make up a network, as well as the communication protocols that govern the way data is transmitted and received within the network. Examples of network components include routers, switches, firewalls, hubs, servers, and workstations. While examples of network protocols include TCP/IP, UDP, HTTP, FTP, and SMTP. These components and protocols are crucial in ensuring that data is transmitted securely and efficiently across a network. For example, routers and switches are used to direct data packets to their intended destinations, while firewalls are used to filter out unwanted traffic and protect the network from unauthorized access. Network protocols, on the other hand, are used to ensure that data is transmitted in a consistent and standardized manner so that different devices and software Applications can communicate with each other effectively. Secure communication channels are channels that have been protected against unauthorized access or interference. These channels can be used to transmit sensitive information securely between two or more parties. Secure communication channels use various cryptographic techniques and protocols to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Examples of secure communication channels include virtual private networks (VPNs), secure shell SSH connections, secure sockets layer SSL, transport layer security TLS protocols, and encrypted email services, in addition to encryption. Secure communication channels may also use techniques such as authentication, digital signatures, and access controls to further enhance security. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next part.